I managed to take a shower, wash my hair and condition it, and then I blow dried it because it's relaxed hair. Back then when I used to have an afro, I wouldn't blow dry it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this brush from Clicks, this, and then this one from Pep Stores. And then I'm gonna need mousse because it's relaxed hair. For natural hair, I used to use some gel. I'll try and find a picture and click it somewhere. So I'm gonna use this one. I think it's like 50 bucks from Clicks. And then this one is optional, but you can get it. It's just for shining hair. It's like an extra hold salon finish thing. Tresemme. It's almost done anyway. So yeah. And then we're gonna need tukui, some scarf to lay down the hair, and then obviously something for the puff. I'm gonna use this was my graduation hair. It was a wig, but then the closure got messed up, so I had to use this one for my puffs. Okay, darlings, so yeah, I'm just gonna brush this. Oopsie, I forgot to get wool. Okay, managed to find the wool. So yeah, guys, I actually relaxed my hair from being natural. I did it twice, but it just won't be soft and silky. Somebody send help. Oopsie. Somebody send help. Anyway, yeah, I got the wool, so I'm just gonna brush using this one. I'm just trying to make it as flat as possible. I want this high puff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You can also make a line or make it a bit back, like a thingy, a back pony, if that's what you call it. So yeah, I'm just gonna brush that. Hey guys, see what I'm talking about? Oh. But yeah, anyway. Okay, I think that's fine. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush from Pep Stores, like I said. Just gonna brush and try and make it okay. Oopsie. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna tie a little pony. Oopsie. So I got this technique from Tiara Walker. I'll try and write her name somewhere here. She's an amazing YouTuber, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and do that. Okay, I think it's sleek enough, is it? Yeah, I think it is. Now I'm just gonna take my wool. So yeah, I did that. So I'm just gonna tie my hair. Okay, I think I took too much wool, but that's fine. Yeah, I think that's fine. So yeah, I think it's fine. I'll just brush out the rest after applying the mousse. I don't really care about the back part because the pony thing I'm gonna do will cover that up. So I'm just trying to make this into a little bun. So I'm gonna fold it like that. I hope you guys can see, and then continue tying that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with mousse. Don't forget the back part. I know I said I don't care about it, but so yeah. I just realized this thing wasn't as small as I wanted it to be. So I untied a little bit of wool. So yeah, I think this is better. So yeah, I think I need more mousse. So I think all in all, this puff can take, it takes less than 30 minutes to make. Okay, well, unless you want it to be completely dry by the time you leave the house, then you might need like an hour and 30 minutes or so. You can do it before taking a bath, so by the time you're done bathing and doing your makeup and stuff, it's dry. So yeah. Ooh, okay. So yeah. Guys, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, so don't mind me. It's a really big mirror, so I couldn't put it down here. Anyways, I like to do small edges, guys. I don't like dramatic edges, but if you like, you can do that. So yeah. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Hey. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to do my little edges, so you proceed as you like. I'm just trying to do my non-dramatic edges. So yeah. Ooh. Hey. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to do my little edges, so you proceed as you like. I'm just trying to do my non-dramatic edges. So yeah. Yeah, so that's just about it. I hope the back part is fine. Let me just go one last time. Alright, I think that's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this, fold it, and make it as tight as possible because I want this to be put together. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a little bit of space so that I can connect the pony while this dries. So I'm just gonna put it there and try and make it as tight as possible. So yeah. Let me just do that so you guys can see what I do with the puff. Is my head that big? Oh my god. Okay. I still don't know. I thought I used to tie this in the front. But okay, it's fine. Yeah. Alright, so when we get to the puff, to the ponytail. Okay, I folded the hair like into two parts, I guess. So I'm gonna take a little bit from this side, and I'm just gonna, it's to secure the hair. So I'm just gonna tie it around, and then I'm just gonna take these. You can do like you're not forced to fold it, but it just takes a bit more time. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and tie that around my hair. Make sure it's tight. Then I'm gonna do that again. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that till we're done. And then we can brush the hair. So I'm just gonna forward a bit till I'm done doing this, so you guys can see the last part. So when we get to the last part, I'm gonna do like what I did when I started. So literally just grab a bit of the hair from the side, just a bit. So I think this is enough. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna just tie it around like I said at first to secure the puff. You can go on with bobby pins if you like. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and brush this first so that when I take it to the back it's not tied up. So yeah, then I'm just gonna take that up there and try and brush it together. Yeah, I know there's this little bump here showing my natural hair inside, but we need to keep it as sleek as possible. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the hair. I think here will be fine. Okay, I think I need a bit more because this is quite bumpy. Just gonna brush that, and then which direction should I go? I think I should tie it that way. So this is what we're trying to cover up, guys. This right there. So yeah, just gonna go in and tie. Okay, I think this is a bit too small, but we'll go again. Grab another strand of hair. I can't even see what I'm doing anymore. But yeah. This is really, really short. But anyway, I can grab another part. So yeah, since my hair is showing, I think I should just make a bun. Yeah, but if your hair's not showing, you can just do what I tried to do and just tie it around. Okay? Okay. So yeah. Okay guys, yeah, let's do that. Excuse the light, guys. It's not controllable, okay? So yeah, I think I'm just gonna make a bun. Hey, this hair, guys, it's been through the toughest times ever. But it's still alive, so we keep using it. Yeah, I'm just making a bun, nothing fancy. So yeah. I don't like flyaways. Also, why is this here? I'll just tuck it in the back. You can also use curly hair. There's some shop actually in, if you don't have this hair, there's some shop in Station. Sadia shop right. It actually sells nice hair. Like Hausa shop right there, like opposite Hamath. That shop sells hair. That man has amazing hair. So yeah, you can check him out and get yourself some hair there. So you can make this puff, okay? Actually wasn't doing the back part. Yeah, so I just went to check myself out and put these on just in jail. I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, they were on sale, Mr. Price, just 25 bucks. So I'm the girl. Now I can just kiss Jenna. Hello. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna sit in the living room like this because I'm not gonna let this go to waste. How do I look? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this is not bad, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, darling. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Let me just put this off because... Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, I have subscribers. Can you imagine? I'm emotional, guys. Like all 25 of you, guys. I appreciate it. Like I really, really do. Anyway, see you on my next video. Mwah.